Hi, this is Paolo with AEvent support. In this video, I will show you how to hide your events, meetings, or webinars for registration. This means no one will see your event from your registration page, therefore no one will be able to register to it. If you have a multi-event timeline, you can hide registration for each event on your timeline. To do this, open your timeline, click on Event Info. Under Event Automation, you'll see Registration Visibility. Click on Edit to the right. Toggle the switch for registration visibility to turn it off. You can do this for each event on your timeline. Just click on the Event tab on the upper part of the page and edit registration visibility for each event. If you have a single event timeline, you can hide the registration visibility by accessing the event details. To do that, go to your main dashboard, click on this icon to access the event details. Over here on the upper right, toggle the switch for registration visibility to turn it off. That would be all for this video. As always, please reach out to support if you have any questions. If you like this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thank you for watching.